In this exercise, we're going to learn about for loop. Let's take a look at the content of this pre-written script called for_loop.sh. Line 1 is specify that this script is to run in bash shell. Line 2 is the start of the for loop. So for variable x in the item 1, item 2, item 3, do the following action. Echo the value of x is $variable x. Ping -c2, that means to ping twice for this IP, and the $x, which is the item here, and then close if we're done. So the for loop is declared in the following way: for something, do the action, and close if done. Let's see what the script produces when it's being run. So what it does is that when x is 1, you print the value of x is 1 and ping -c2 192.168.0.1. Then you'll check is there any more item left in the list. If there is, you'll put the second item into the variable x. In this case, 2 is the second item. So the value of x now become 2, and the IP will end with 192.168.0.2, so on and so forth until the list is exhausted here. So this is the function of the for loop. You notice that you don't have to do the repetitive tasks using the ping command, but instead has the for loop to do the ping for you. Now let's take a look at another example. In this script here, the count is declared as variable equal to 0. Then it says print on the screen listing item in present working directory, and you notice that the pw command is being run in the script, which stands for present working directory, and print a blank line for variable item in $open ls and close bracket ls. What this does is to run the command in the script, the ls command in the script. So whatever ls return, you'll be stored into the variable item one by one. In this case, you count item $count, which is starting with 0, and then the item returned by the variable item here. To increment the count variable, do a let space count equal to count plus 1. So when it exit out of this loop, the count will be incremented to 1, and the next item we put on the list. At the end, you will list out the total number of items being counted. Let's try running the program. As you can see, the listing item in present working directory is /root/desktop, and these are the 11 items, or 12 items rather, in the directory. At the end, you give total of 12 items being counted. This is the end of the demo.